welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I'm going to make a video about Aunt Jackie's Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. Now, I use this, I'm trying to grow my hair, and I've been washing it frequently. This smells like butter. It smells like butter, guys. And I've been, my hair has been dry and damaged, so this has fixed my hair. And it's intensive repair conditioning mask. Excuse me, enriched with flaxseed, mango butter, shea butter, avocado, and coconut oil for dry, damaged hair and protective styling. Treat brittle, damaged hair to the benefits of Aunt Jackie's inner and outer hair. Deep repair recipe with omega fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins. That rinse out formula helps strengthen and restore vibrancy. And the directions on here, it's on clean damp hair, apply a generous amount all over hair, making sure hair is coated from roots to ends as an intensive repair treatment. Cover hair with plastic cap and sit under a warm hooded dryer for 10 minutes. Remove cap and rinse all traces of the mask from hair. So, and this is also sulfate-free, paraben-free, no mineral oil, no petroleum, for natural curls and coils and waves. So it's really good, and it's very thick. See how thick it is? It's like it has butters in it, so it smells like butter, and it looks like butter. Doesn't it look like butter? It smells good. Like I don't know how to explain it. All I can think is it smells like butter. Yeah, it smells like butter. And long story short, what I did, I basically wet my hair and I put this throughout my hair, and then I went under my hooded dryer. Supposed to be under a warm hooded dryer for 10 minutes, but I think I went about 15 or like 10 plus minutes. So, and I went back in the shower and washed it out, and it was, you know, yeah, it has no mineral oil and no petroleum. It is very good. So when I finished washing it out, I touched my hair and it was very soft. So it was very soft after I finished washing it out. It's very soft. It was very softening, because of all the butters and the flaxseed and the shea butter and avocado oil and coconut oil. It's really good, and it's very, very thick. Yeah, and it smells good too. It smells good. It looks like butter and it smells like butter. So yeah, I just wanted to have a video for you guys. Yeah, this is very good. After I finished washing it out, my hair was so soft. It was soft. You have to put it from root to end and wash it out. All of it out. It helped my hair feel soft. It felt just soft, so, because this is to fix my hair, I'm also trying to grow my hair, trying to do it frequently, so, yeah, that's all. And if you want to find this, I got this on Amazon, but you can go on Google and put Aunt Jackie's Fix My Hair, and it will probably show you it in Google, Fix My Hair, and it will show you where you could get it at. You could try to find it. Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Recipes Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. So here it is. Here it is, you guys. You want to screenshot. Yep. Well, thanks for watching. Like if you liked it, thumbs it up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified that all the new videos I upload. Remember, love, knowledge, and laughter, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Okay? Bye. Bye.